Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue N4 cam. In this video I'll show you buttons overview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of the camera. Right here we've got mode button, OK, two sides and power button. Let's start with mode button. Thanks to mode button you can enter and exit setup menu, and if you long press the button, you will enter parking mode. Thanks to OK button, you confirm the actions, stop, start the video recording. Next, we've got left move selector up, thanks to which we can turn microphone on or off, and slow forward when playing back videos. Thanks to the right selector button, you can switch the front, cabin and rear camera window display and fast forward when playing back videos. Then you've got the power button, thanks to which you can turn camera on or off and enable or disable IR LED light. Then we've got USB-C port for the rear camera, reset button and SD card slot. And basically that's it for the ports of this camera. So let's take a look on the additional parts of the camera. Of course, right here we've got the mount installed. Right here we've got the cabin camera. Here we've got 2.45 inches LCD display. And right here we've got the front camera. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.